1, 2, 3.
This podcast is brought to you by Red Engineering and Design, the engineering firm that provides practical solutions to complex structural problems. Mark Twain once said that the difference between the right word and the wrong word is the difference between lightning and a lightning bug. This seems like good advice, especially when your local weatherman talks about a recent rainstorm as being a 100-year event. This is because a 100-year rainstorm doesn't occur once every 100 years. What a 100-year event actually means is that a particular storm has about a 1% chance of occurring this year. Okay, so doesn't this mean that if a storm didn't happen this year, then it has about a 2% chance of occurring next year? And if not then, a 3% chance of occurring the year after that? Unfortunately, statistics didn't work that way back in high school, and it still doesn't work that way now. Let's say I flip a coin. What's the chance I flip heads? 50%. Now let's say I flip a coin 100 times and get 100 heads in a row. What's the chance I get heads on the 101st flip? Still 50%. You see, probability doesn't care what happened in the past. It only cares what all the possible outcomes are in the future. If you had a 100-year event last year, you have about a 1% chance it'll happen again this year. Remember back in 2005, when Hurricane Katrina devastated the New Orleans area? That was clearly greater than a 100-year event. So how long before Katrina did New Orleans go before having its previous 100-year storm? Only about 10 years. And 17 years before that? The wet spring of 1978 also caused the mighty Mississippi to reach the 100-year event level in New Orleans. Okay, so how often does a 100-year event occur? The truth is, no one knows. However, there is about a 51% chance it'll occur during your lifetime, and that's better than a coin flip. So next time you hear your local weatherman warning of a major rainstorm coming, make sure you get your raincoat and umbrella ready. Follow us at redengineeringdesign.com or brianmosco.com.